Recording 3. Explain the following. Line coding. Explain why line coding is required and different types of line coding and their important aspects. First of all, what do you mean by line coding? The line code is the code used for data transmission of digital signal over a transmission line. This process of coding is used as to avoid overlap and distortion of signal, such as inter-symbol interference. Data as well as signal that represent data can either be analog or digital. Line coding is the process of converting digital data to digital signal. By these techniques, we convert a sequence of bits to a digital signal at the center sites. Digital data are encoded into a digital signal, and at the receiver side, the digital data are received by the decoding the digital signal. Properties of line coding: as the coding is done to make more bits transmit on a single signal, the bandwidth used is much reduced. For a given bandwidth, the power is efficiently used. The probability of error is much reduced. The error reduction is done, and the bipolar 2 has a correction capability. Power density is much favorable. The timing content is adequate. Right? We can roughly divide the line coding scheme into 5 categories: unipolar, polar, bipolar, multi-level, multi-branch. Unipolar scheme. In this scheme, all the signal levels are either above or below axis. Right? This is the figure for the unipolar system. Right? Type. Then unipolar, there are two types. There are two variations in unipolar signaling: non-return to zero, return to zero. Unipolar return to zero. In these types of unipolar signaling, the high in data is represented by a positive pulse called as mark. Right? This is the figure for that one. Then unipolar return to zero. In these types of unipolar signaling, high in data through represented by mark pulse. This duration. Right? This is the figure for that one. Advantages of unipolar architecture: it is simple, spectral line present at the symbol. It can be used as a clock. Right? Disadvantages: no error correction of E5 device when it has a unipolar inertia. The signal drop is caused at the places where the signal is non-zero. Polar scheme. In polar scheme, the voltage are on the both sides of the axis. Right? This is the figure for the pole. Right? Both sides of the axis. Right? Then advantages of polar inertia: it is simple, no low frequency components are present. Disadvantages: no error correction or clock is present. The signal drop is caused at the place where the signal is non-zero. Right? Then bipolar scheme. In this scheme, there are 3 voltage level: positive, negative, and zero. The voltage level for one data element is at zero, while the voltage level for the other elements alternatively will be positive and negative. Right? This is the figure for the for that particular thing. Right? Next. Advantages. Following are the advantages. It is simple. No low frequency components are present. Right? Occupy low bandwidth and unipolar, polar, inertia scheme. Disadvantages. Some of the disadvantages are: no clock is present. Long string data causes loss of synchronization. Right. Next part is pulse code modulation. What do you mean by pulse code modulation? Pulse code modulation is a method that is used to convert analog signal into digital signal, so that modified analog signal can be transmitted through a digital communication network. DCM is in the binary form, so there will be only 2 possible states: high and low, 0 and 1. We can also get our analog signal by demodulation. right? This is the figure for that one. Then ASK, FSK, and PSK, right? ASK means amplitude shift key. Is a type of amplitude modulation which represents the binary data in the form of variation in the amplitude of a signal. Any modulated signal has the higher frequency value. The following figure represents the ASK modulated waveform analog with input, right? Then frequency shift keying, FSK, means is the digital modulation techniques in which the frequency of the carrier signal varies according to the digital signal changes. FSK is the scheme of frequency modulation. The output of the FSK modulated wave is high in frequency for binary high input and is low in frequency for binary low input. The following image diagram is represented, right? Frequency shift keying is use digital signals to adjust the frequency of wave carrier. So first of this FSK less susceptible to noise, theoretically require larger bandwidth than ASK, right? This is the figure. PSK, phase shift keying, is the digital modulation technique in which the phase of the carrier signal is changed by varying the sign and forcing input at a particular time. PSK technique is widely used for wireless LAN biometrics, contactless operation along with RFID and Bluetooth communication, right? There are two types, binary phase shift keying and PSK, right? These are the two. BPSK modulator, block diagram of binary phase shift keying consists of the balanced modulator which has the carrier sine wave as one input. The binary sequence has the other input, allowing the diagram figure, right? You can see this one. This is the BPSK modulator output sine wave, right? This is the figure, right? BPSK demodulator. This is the demodulator. Then phase shift key. Different phase angles in the carrier signal are used to represent the binary state of 0 and 1s, right? Less susceptible to noise, bandwidth of efficient response, requires synchronization in frequency and phase and complicated, right? The next one is AM and FCOM. AM means amplitude modulation and FCOM means frequency modulation are two ways of broadcasting radio signal. Both transmit the information in the form of electromagnetic waves. AM works by the modulating varying the amplitude from signals and carrier transmitted according to the information being sent, while the frequency remains constant. This differs from the FM technology, in which information sound is encoded by varying the frequency of wave and amplitude is kept constant, right? Then explain the following frequency division multiplexing.